Right, so I've cleared the lens. I'm just gonna pour the hot water on there. It's gonna steam up again, I bet you. Let's just see if we can make a difference. This bit of a sizzle as it starts. Right, see if we can make a difference to that tarnish there. Whoa, do you see that? That was instant. You get a whiff of sulfur in there as the sulfur gas comes off. It's probably sulfur dioxide or something like that. And this one, that was like an instant difference. Just suddenly cleared. Even on the edges, which were like black before. It's not perfect. Still a bit of brown there. Just going to try and lay that down again. Careful. Now this one, that odd black mark has not gone anywhere, so I don't know what that is. That's still there. Tell you what though, it's looking a bit shinier. I'm not sure if I can get that edge to clean up. That's not as important as the face. I was really pleased that all the tarnish went off the edge with the face. And on the edge, looking pretty good. It's almost gone. Quite a nice difference there. And I'm just gonna put some more water over that to just clear up any. There we are. So whatever that black mark is on this one probably wasn't tarnished, because it would have gone.